Hi everyone, today I'm doing a quick lesson on Another One Bites the Dust from the Trinity Rock Pop Grade series. It's in the Grade 1 book. And I'm just going to go through some of the fills because the groove is fairly straightforward. It sounds like this. Which is a fairly basic groove. I'm not going to go through that one today. I'm assuming that you already know that one. What I will do today though is go through each of the fills individually, and then at the end of the video there'll be a play along section where you can play through the fills at different tempos, starting slow and then working up to full speed. So hopefully it will be useful. So I'm going to start with the fill that's in bar 12. Most of it's on the snare drum. It sounds like this. So the rhythm is 1 and 2E and a 3E and a 4 and. Or if we're using the phonetic system, we could call that coffee, Coca-Cola, Coca-Cola, coffee. Whichever works for you. And the best way to practice this is to actually play a bar of groove beforehand and then go into the fill. So you'll end up doing this. One final thing to try when you're practicing these fills, obviously we need to learn the fill, we need to learn the rhythm, but also we need to learn how to come out of the fill and go back into the groove. So when I've done the loops later on, you'll see that all the fills go straight back onto the hi-hat again, so it will sound like this. I'm just going to play one hi-hat and bass drum after the fill. So the second fill, this is in bar 16, and it sounds like this. So we're mostly on the snare, but we've got one note on the high tom at the end. The rhythm for this one, it starts halfway through the bar. It starts on beat 3, so it's going to be 3 and 4E and. Or you could use the drink system, coffee, lemonade. So this is going to have a half a bar of the groove before the fill, so it will sound like. And then again I'll put the next note on the end of the fill. Then we go on to the fill in bar 18. It's the shortest fill and the rhythm is 4 and a. But this one is actually a little bit tricky because we have to think about the sticking on this as well. So beforehand we've got 3 beats worth of groove, 1 and 2 and 3 and. So we need to start the fill with our left hand. Play left, right, left, and that means that our right hand is then free to get back to the hi-hat. So I'll do that slowly. It's going to sound like this. I'll do that one more time. Then moving on to bar 20. This one is all on the snare drum again. Be careful of the first 2 notes because they're crotchets, longer notes than you might think, so they last a whole beat. So the fill will sound like this. And I'll play the bar of groove beforehand. So you can see how slow those first 2 notes sound, how they feel to play. Take your time on those. And then last of all, moving on to bar 24, again, all on the snare drum, it sounds like this. So the rhythm for that one, 1 and 2 and a, or you could describe it as coffee, blackberry. And the last 2 notes of this fill, you'll see have little accents on them, which means they need to be just slightly louder than the others. And I'll play this one again with the bar of groove beforehand. So that takes us through all the fills. The next section of the video is going to be a play-along section. So I'm going to start with the first fill, the one in bar 12, and I'm going to run through all the fills in order. And the way they're looped is there is a bar of groove before each fill. Play the fill and then finish on a hi-hat and bass drum, which is the note after each fill. Each fill is going to go around 5 times at 3 different tempos. So it will start at 70 beats per minute, which will feel quite slow. It will go up to 85 and then to full speed, which is 100 beats per minute. So play along, see how you get on, and don't move on to the next speed until you can play them comfortably at the slower speeds. Good luck. 1, 2, 3, 4.
Out of the doorway, the bullets rip to the sound of the beat. Yeah,
1,
hanging on the edge of your
2,
seat.
3, 4.
Out of the doorway, the bullets rip to the sound of the beat. Yeah,
1,
hanging on the edge of
2,
your seat.
3, 4.
Out of the doorway, the bullets rip to the sound of the beat. Yeah,
1,
hanging on the edge of your
2,
seat.
3, 4.
Out of the doorway, the bullets rip to the sound of the beat. Yeah,
1,
hanging on the edge of your
2,
seat.
3, 4.
Out of the doorway, the bullets rip to the sound of the beat. Yeah,
1,
hanging on the edge of your
2,
seat.
3, 4.
Out of the doorway, the bullets rip to the sound of the beat. Yeah,
1,
hanging on the edge of your
2,
seat.
3, 4.
Out of the doorway, the bullets rip to the sound of the beat. Yeah,
1,
hanging on the edge of
2,
your seat.
3, 4.
Out of the doorway, the bullets rip to the sound of the beat. Yeah,
1,
hanging on the edge of
2,
your seat.
3, 4.
Out of the doorway, the bullets rip to the sound of the beat. Yeah,
1,
hanging on the edge of your
2,
seat.
3, 4.
Out of the doorway, the bullets rip to the sound of the beat. Yeah,
1,
hanging on the edge of your seat.
3, 4.
Out of the doorway, the bullets rip to the sound of the beat. Yeah, hanging on the edge of your seat.
3, 4.
Out of the doorway, the bullets rip to the sound of the beat. Yeah, hanging on the edge of your
2,
seat.
3, 4.
Out of the doorway, the bullets rip to the sound of the beat. Yeah, hanging on the edge of your
2,
seat.
3, 4.
Out of the doorway, the bullets rip to the sound of the beat. Yeah, hanging on the edge of your
2,
seat.
3, 4.
Out of the doorway, the bullets rip to the sound of the beat. Yeah. Other one bites the dust.
3, 4.
Another one bites the dust. And another one bites the dust.
3, 4.
Another one bites the dust. And another one bites the dust.
3, 4.
Another one bites the dust. And another one bites the dust.
3, 4.
Another one bites the dust. And another one bites the dust.
3, 4.
Another one bites the dust. And another one bites the dust.
3, 4.
Another one bites the dust. And another one bites the dust.
3, 4.
Another one bites the dust. And another one bites the dust.
3, 4.
Another one bites the dust. And another one bites the dust.
3, 4.
Another one bites the dust. And another one bites the dust.
3, 4.
Another one bites the dust. And another one bites the dust.
3, 4.
Another one bites the dust. And another one bites the dust.
3, 4.
Another one bites the dust. And another one bites the
2,
dust.
3, 4.
Another one bites the dust. And another one bites the dust.
3, 4.
Another one bites the dust. And another one bites the dust. 3, 4. Another one bites the dust. And another one bites the dust. 3, 4. Another one bites the dust. And another one bites the dust. 3, 4. Another one bites the dust. And another one bites the dust. 3, 4. Another one bites the dust. And another one bites the dust. 3, 4. Another one bites the dust. And another one bites the dust. 3, 4. Another one bites the dust. And another one bites the dust. 3, 4. Another one bites the dust. And another one bites the dust. 3, 4. Another one bites the dust. And another one bites the dust. 3, 4. Another one bites the dust. And another one bites the dust. 3, 4. Another one bites the dust. And another one bites the dust. 3, 4. Another one And another one bites the
2,
dust.
3, 4.
Another one bites the dust. bites the dust.
3, 4.
Another one bites the dust. And another one bites the dust.
3, 4.
And another one gone. And another one gone. Another one bites the dust. Another one bites the dust.
3, 4.
And another one gone. And another one gone. Another one bites the dust. Another one bites the dust.
3, 4.
And another one gone. And another one gone. Another one bites the dust. Another one bites the dust.
3, 4.
And another one gone. And another one gone. Another one bites the dust. Another one bites the dust.
3, 4.
And another one gone. And another one gone. Another one bites the dust. Another one bites the dust.
3, 4.
And another one gone. And another one gone. Another one bites the dust. Another one bites the dust.
3, 4.
And another one gone. And another one gone. Another one bites the dust. Another one bites the dust.
3, 4.
And another one gone. And another one gone. Another one bites the dust. Another one bites the dust.
3, 4.
And another one gone. And another one gone. Another one bites the dust. Another one bites the dust.
3, 4.
And another one gone. And another one gone. Another one bites the dust. Another one bites the dust.
3, 4.
And another one gone. And another one gone. Another one bites the dust. Another one bites the dust.
3, 4.
And another one gone. And another one gone. Another one bites the dust. Another one bites the dust.
3, 4.
And another one gone. And another one gone. Another one bites the dust. Another one bites the dust.
3, 4.
And another one gone. And another one gone. Another one bites the dust. Another one bites the dust.
3, 4.
And another one gone. And another one gone. Another one bites the dust. Another one bites the dust.
3, 4.
Hey, I'm gonna get you too. Another one bites the dust. Another one bites the dust.
3, 4.
Hey, I'm gonna get you too. Another one bites the dust. Another one bites the dust.
3, 4.
Hey, I'm gonna get you too. Another one bites the dust. Another one bites the dust.
3, 4.
Hey, I'm gonna get you too. Another one bites the dust. Another one bites the dust.
3, 4.
Hey, I'm gonna get you too. Another one bites the dust. Another one bites the dust.
3, 4.
Hey, I'm gonna get you too. Another one bites the dust. Another one bites the dust.
3, 4.
Hey, I'm gonna get you too. Another one bites the dust. Another one bites the dust.
3, 4.
Hey, I'm gonna get you too. Another one bites the dust. Another one bites the dust.
3, 4.
Hey, I'm gonna get you too. Another one bites the dust. Another one bites the dust.
3, 4.
Hey, I'm gonna get you too. Another one bites the dust. Another one bites the dust.
3, 4.
Hey, I'm gonna get you too. Another one bites the dust. Another one bites the dust.
3, 4.
Hey, I'm gonna get you too. Another one bites the dust. Another one bites the dust.
3, 4.
Hey, I'm gonna get you too. Another one bites the dust. Another one bites the dust.
3, 4.
Hey, I'm gonna get you too. Another one bites the dust. Another one bites the dust.
3, 4.
Hey, I'm gonna get you too. Another one bites the dust.
1, 2, 3, 4. 1, 2, 3, 4. 1, 2, 3, 4. 1, 3, 4. 1, 3, 4. 1, 2, 3, 4. 1, 2, 3, 4. 1, 2, 3, 4. 'And so for this final part of the video, I'm going to play all the fills linked together in the song structure as they are. But I'm going to start the track from bar 11. So you have a bar of groove before going into the first fill. And then it's just going to play through the rest of the song. Again, I've done this at 3 different tempos. So it starts at 70 beats per minute and we'll work up through those 3. Let's see how you get on. 1, 2, 3, 4.
Out of the doorway, the bullets rip to the sound of the beat. Yeah. Another one bites the dust. Another one bites the dust. And another one gone. And another one gone. Another one bites the dust. Hey, I'm gonna get you too. Another one bites the dust. Hanging on the edge of your seat.
3, 4.
Out of the doorway, the bullets rip to the sound of the beat. Yeah. Another one bites the dust. Another one bites the dust. And another one gone. And another one gone. Another one bites the dust. Hey, I'm gonna get you too. Another one bites the dust. Hanging on the edge of your seat.
3, 4.
Out of the doorway, the bullets rip to the sound of the beat. Yeah. Another one bites the dust. Another one bites the dust. And another one gone. And another one gone. Another one bites the dust. Hey, I'm gonna get you too. Another one bites the dust.